Welcome to my maths class, IIT Foundation for 6th class. So, chapter 2, factors and multiples. Suppose we multiply two numbers, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 is generally called a product. When two numbers are multiplied, the result is called a product. But this is a multiple of 3 and as well as 2. 6 is a multiple of 3 and also multiple of 2, and 2 and 3 are 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So when two or more numbers are multiplied, then the product is called a multiple of those numbers, and those numbers are called the factors of the product. Now we will take, if we take 1 and it is multiplied by 1, we get 1. So 1 is a multiple. If we multiply it by 2, we get 2. 2 is a multiple of 1. Similarly, 3 is a multiple of 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. All the numbers are multiples of 1. If we take 2, 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8, 2 fives 10, etc. All the even numbers, these are all even numbers. All these numbers are multiples of 2. All these numbers are multiples of 2, and 2 is a factor for all these numbers. Next, if we take 3, 3 ones 3, 3 twos 6, 3 threes 9, 3 fours 12, 3 fives 15, 3 6 18, etc. These numbers are the multiples of 3. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, etc. Therefore, all these numbers are called the multiples of 3, and 3 is a factor for all these numbers. Thus, for these numbers, there may be number of factors, and for 3, there are a number of multiples up to infinity. So many multiples for a number. So, if two or more numbers are multiplied, then the product is called a multiple of those numbers, and those numbers are the factors to the product or factors to the multiple. Now we take an example. So for example, find the factors of 12 and 14. So factors of 12 or factors are the numbers which can divide the number without remainder. So 12 can be divisible by 1. Next, it is divisible by 2. 2 6 12. It is divisible by 3 also. 3 4 12. Next, it is divisible by 4. 4 3 12. It is not divisible by 5. It is divisible by 6. 6 2s 12. And it is not divisible by 8. So then it is divisible by 12. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. All these numbers are factors of 12. Or we can write it like this. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 2 into 12 is equal to 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 fours 12. Next 4 into 3. So this is repeated. So 1 2 3 4 6 12. 1 2 3 4 6 12. So these are the factors of 12. Similarly, factors of 14. So 1 into 14. 14 can be divided like or written like 1 into 14. Next, as it is a even number, we can write it as 2 sevens. 2 into 7. It is not divisible by 3 or 4 or 6. Again, next is 7 into 2. But 2 into 7 is 7 into 2. This is repeated. Therefore, the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. 1, 2, 7 and 14 are the factors of 14. Next example, find the first 5 multiples of 5. So multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. So if 5 is multiplied by 1, we get 1. Next multiple, it is multiplied by 2, we get 10. Next multiple, 15. Next 20. Next 25. So first 5 multiples. First 5 multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These are the multiples. Multiple means multiple number greater, one time, two times, some number of times are called multiples. Next, even numbers. An even number is a number which is divisible by 2, which is exactly divisible by 2. For example, 2. 2 is divisible by 2. First even number. Next, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So, any number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. The smallest even number is 2, etc. Infinite. So, odd number. A number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. are called the odd numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2, odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Next, prime numbers. Prime numbers are the natural numbers which has exactly 2 factors. Prime numbers are the natural numbers which have exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For example, if we take 2, it has 1 and 2 are factors. Only 2 factors. For 3, it has 1 and 3. Only 2 factors. 2 factors. If we take 4, it has 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor and 4 is a factor. It has 3 factors. 3 factors. Therefore, 4 is not a prime. Not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. This number is called a composite number. A natural number which has more than 2 factors are called a composite number. 4 is not a prime, but composite. This is called a composite number. And again, next 5. 5 is also a prime number because it has 1 and 5 as factors. How many factors are there? Only 2 factors. Therefore, 5 is a prime number. Next, if we take 6, 6 is again not a prime because it has 1, 2, 3 and 6. 4 factors. 4 factors. Therefore, it is not a prime. So, it is a composite number. Next, 7. 7 is again a prime number. 7 is divisible by 1 and the number itself. No other number divides 7 without remainder. Therefore, 7 is a prime number. And next, 8 is not a prime. 8 is a composite number because 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8, etc. 9 is also a composite number, not a prime number because it is divisible by 1, 3, 9. 3. Next, 10 is also not a prime number because it is divisible by 5. Other than 1 and the number itself, it is divisible by 5 and 2 also. Next, 11 is a prime number. After 7, 11 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and the number itself. 1 and 11 only. No other number divides 11 without remainder. Next, 12 is a composite number because it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So many numbers. So 12. Next, 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 14, 15, 16 are not prime numbers. Again, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, etc. So, a prime number is a natural number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself, which has only 2 factors. and those two factors are the 1 and the number itself. Such natural number is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. 2 is the only even number which is a prime number, and the smallest prime number is also 2. 2 is a smallest prime number, and it is the only even number which is prime.